Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know your Trust Wallet address. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in and have access to your main wallet interface. This initial step is crucial for navigating to your specific cryptocurrency assets. We will then proceed to select the desired crypto to reveal its unique receiving address. Once inside your Trust Wallet, tap on the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you will see options such as Send, Receive, and Swap. Tap the Receive button. This action will immediately display your unique wallet address for that particular asset. You will also see a QR code for easy scanning. It is extremely important to always double-check the wallet address before initiating any transaction. Sending cryptocurrency to an incorrect address can lead to irreversible loss of your funds, as transactions on the blockchain are final. Remember, your wallet address is public, but your recovery phrase is private and must be kept secure. To share your address, simply tap the Copy button next to it, or use the Share option to send it via messaging apps. This makes it easy for others to send you crypto without manual input errors. Always be vigilant about phishing attempts and only share your public address. For staying refreshed, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.